Napoleon complex debunked. Napoleon complex is a psychological term that suggests individuals with short stature may exhibit aggressive, domineering, or overly ambitious behavior to compensate for their perceived physical inferiority. However, the validity of this concept has been widely debated and is not supported by scientific evidence. It's important to note that height is not a reliable indicator of personality or behavior. Individuals of all heights can exhibit a wide range of traits and characteristics. I asked AI about complications of Napoleon complex. The concept of Napoleon complex is not supported by scientific evidence. Therefore, it's not accurate to discuss its complications. The idea that people with short stature are most likely to be aggressive, domineering, or overly ambitious is a harmful stereotype. It's important to avoid making generalizations about individuals based on their physical appearance. The term Napoleon complex originates from the misconception that Napoleon Bonaparte, the French military leader, was extremely short, standing at around 5 feet and 2 inches or 1.57 meters. However, this is a myth, as Napoleon's actual height was around 5 feet and 6 inches or 1.69 meter to 5 feet 7 inches 1.70 meters, which was slightly above average height for a Frenchman during that time. Characteristics. Number 1, aggression. They might become overly aggressive or confrontational to prove themselves. Number 2, dominance. They may try to dominate or control others to compensate feelings of inadequacy. Number 3, authoritarianism. They might adopt an authoritarian attitude, using power or authority to assert themselves. Example of this is the movie character Lord Farquaad in the movie Shrek. His height is 4 feet and 6 inches tall, as I researched. Number 4, competitiveness. They may become extremely competitive, always trying to one-up others. Number 5, insecurity. Deep down, they may struggle with feelings of insecurity, inadequacy, or low self-esteem. Example, I have an example of this, and I became a victim of discrimination when it comes to height. Ang storya po nito, during my early 30s, nag-apply po ako sa isang company ng drugstore. Of course, dinala ko po yung mga credentials ko, and then nag-high heels pa ako. Then nakita ko doon na preferably 5'2" ang height. So sabi ko, baka naman magbago yan pagdating na nandun ako sa HR. And then unang-una po, wala po silang pakialam doon sa credentials mo. Unang ginawa sa amin, dumaan kami dun sa height measurement. May-measure po kami yung height namin. So, from 5'2", 4'10" lang po ako. So, hindi po ako nakapasa. So, sorry. So, yun. That's discrimination. Doon inilagay naman nila doon na sa requirements na 5'2". May pagka-stubborn po ako. So, I want to know the truth. Totoo nga po na talagang 5'10" hinahanap nila. Ang tanong ko po sa sarili ko, kung accounting department po kasi o accountancy ang aking ina-apply, why they need a 5'2" height? Siguro kung sa store, pwedeng ganon kasi yung pag-abot-abot ng mga items. So, yun lang po. Pero walang galit or walang anything na nangyari sa move on again, move on. Marami pa naman ang company. Ayun. Keep in mind that the Napoleon complex is not an officially recognized psychological disorder, and its validity as a psychological concept is debated among experts. So, hindi naman pinagdi-debate pa itong Napoleon complex na ito, pero nangyayari din po talaga to, na merong mga taong nai-insecure dun sa height nila. Ang babae walang problema kasi mag high heels lang po sila, malulutas na kahit paano yung pagiging short nila. That's why maybe I like high heels or high heeled shoes. And hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa rubber shoes kasi parang mas lalo akong namiliit. At saka po ang ano ko kasi sa high heels is a symbol of success and strong person. The one who wear high heels is a strong person for me, or a strong woman.